Okay, once again welcome to Dr. Adulkar's NLP course. Exercise number 3. What is in that? PEG system. I am thinking not that PEG system. Okay, this PEG system is different. Okay, what is PEG system in this exercise? Now I am giving the PEG of these numbers. In simple words, it's a rhyming words. See. 1 sun. One's PEG system is sun. 2 shoe. See the tone. 3 tree. 4 door. 5 knife. 6 bricks. 7 heaven. 8 plate. 9 coin. 10 hen. So dear friends, you're not going to remember the words, but you have to remember these words. These are called the PEG system of the numbers. Okay, now what is this? These are your textbook's lessons. Okay, try to understand. These are the PEG systems, and these are the connecting words from the lesson. How to connect? Take one example. Take one lesson from any subject, and you have to connect that lesson with that PEG system. For example, here I written temple. How to connect the temple and sun? It is totally like this imaginary story. Okay, you want to go in the temple and suddenly you came across a big sun is waiting for you in the temple. You will surprise sun in the temple like that. Second, shoe. Early in the morning you are in a hurry. You want to go to school. You are searching a shoe, and in that shoe a big sheep is there. Now you collect the friends, you remove that sheep and you collect your shoe, you tie it and go to school. Okay, see the tree. Now you want pen. You are searching the pen and suddenly you come across a tree. On that tree, instead of flowers and fruits, you find the pen. You took the pen and start writing. See the fourth, door. You want to open the door. Who comes? Guest? No. River comes. Suddenly comes river and she welcomes you. Strange. Knife. Suddenly no one at home and TV is not working. You want to repair the television. Instead of equipments, you use the knife and opening the TV. Everybody comes and scolds you, but suddenly TV starts. Knife, television. Vicks, Taj Mahal. Now because of that school days, you want the holiday, you go to Taj Mahal and want to enjoy the atmosphere. But the atmosphere is very cold, and in the cold you must need Vicks. 6 Taj Mahal. Like that you have to connect. 7 heaven, computer. Now every human being using computer. Even in the heaven, God and Goddess also using the laptop and computer. So this is a connection. Heaven, computer. Plate, mountain. Now you want breakfast. Your mother comes, do your plate. Instead of breakfast, you see the big mountain. So instead of eating the mountain, you place it in a showcase. Plate, mountain. Coin, apple. You are very hungry. You want to eat the apple. You didn't get the knife. And now, because of hungriness, you want to cut that apple with the coin. Coin, apple. You have to connect it. Last is very beautiful example. As soon as early in the morning, you go to the school, you open the classroom. On each benches, hen is sitting and waiting for you. Understood? So these are the PEG system and these are the imaginary words. Now what your work is? Take any subject, take any textbook. These are the, now don't remember these digitals. You have to remember this PEG system. Sun, first lesson. First lesson you have to connect with the sun. Like that, if there is a 10 lesson, you must remember what is that lesson. Understood? So your work starts now. Take the textbook and learn the PEG system. Exercise number 3. You will definitely remember the whole textbook and whole lesson by heart. It's my promise. Understood? Best of luck.